That's weird, lights. I didn't think it was morning. That's weird. Come on, kitty, 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 kitty. Yep, he's gonna follow me. Boy, should have brought me a walker out. In the car. Ain't going nowhere now. Come on. Liberace is following me. Come on. He's complaining. He's not hungry. He had a whole can of Friskies. So he's not hungry. Plus he had dry kibble. He went potty. Funny. He likes me. He follows me. There's my hubby. The curmudgeon. I turn this off. I'll be pissed if the battery goes out in this. I guess dawn is breaking. $36 inches, so these, one of them, the longest icicle is 1 yard. I measured it. Yeah. What time is it? Oh, because it's beginning to, dawn is beginning to break. Crunch, crunch. Yeah, dawn is 6:30. So, the sun is starting to come up. It'll be an interesting day for sure. Feed all the troops, the old people, the old and cold. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. Come on. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Don't you think these are beautiful? And what are you doing? Liberace, are you lonely? Come in the house, we'll fight with my kitties. Already tried to kill Max and killed another cat. Now the vet said you're a badass. Yeah, you're a badass. I didn't do this. It's not my fault. I didn't do this. This is not my doing.